The all-new 2015 Acura TLX is a mid-size luxury sedan produced by Acura, which is a luxury vehicle division of Honda. The Acura TLX will be replacing both the Acura TL and TSX model. Two different powertrain options are available, a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine and a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. The one I have today is the 3.5-liter V6 engine with advanced package. The new TLX is equipped with the all-new 9-speed automatic transmission with sequential sport shift with paddle shifter, which is extraordinarily smooth, just like the 3.5-liter V6 to which it partners. In automatic mode, the TLX driver can choose between economical or sport shifting. Paddle shifter puts full manual control right at your fingertips. The TLX also comes standard with precision all-wheel steer on both 4-cylinder and V6 model, though all-wheel drive does come as an option, which is known as super handling all-wheel drive. Precision all-wheel steer delivers unprecedented handling. It is the first all-wheel steer system that enables the rear wheel to adjust toe angle independently, working in concert with vehicle stability assist and the agile handling assist dynamic braking system. Precision all-wheel steer enhances maneuverability control and stability control as well. The all-new TLX is 3.8 inches shorter than the TL, but is longer than the TSX. However, the wheelbase maintains the same length as the TL. The TLX features IDS, which stands for Integrated Dynamic System, which offers 4 different driving modes: Econ, Normal, Sport, and Sport Plus, that can adjust shift timing, steering effort, throttle response, and even noise cancellations, depending on which mode you chose. Up front, the first thing you'll notice is the pair of jewel-eye LED headlights that come standard on all TLX models. It is stunning and brightly illuminated, with 5 LEDs per side provide wider, brighter beams, uses less energy and lasts significantly longer than HID or traditional halogen headlights. At the bottom is the pair of LED fog lights, dressed beautifully in high-gloss black with aluminum accenting trims on top portions, which make the front ends look very aggressive. There is the unique TLX aluminum grille with Acura logo in the middle. Park assists are also built into the front bumper. Intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed. This particular model comes with 18-inch V-spoke alloy wheels with 225/50 all-season tires. Behind the wheel is the set of internally ventilated brake discs and 4-piston brake caliper painted in silver. The TLX disc brakes are complemented by several sophisticated electronic systems that enhance stopping performance in almost any circumstances. Side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal light. On top is the sunroof that can be tilted up or slide out for an open-air feeling. It also features anti-lock braking system, electronic brake distributions, brake assist, as well as brake hold. To the back is the stylish and unique LED tail light, the LED brake lights, as well as turn signal light. Very stylish. At the bottom is the pair of rear reflectors, one on each side. Park assists are also built into the rear bumper. Here is the rear view camera, which will activate once the vehicle is in reverse to help with a much easier backup. And there's the third LED brake light. Alright, here I have the remote. Let's open it up and take it out for a short test drive.
So basically, you can tell there's no shifter or no lever. What you do, you just push the button, you go on the drive, and that's how it operates. Now, like I said, the one we're riding in is a V6, so it's got 290 horses. One thing you might notice is the frameless rear view mirror. So, for a car this size, takes off wonderfully. Very, very smooth.
You don't feel how smooth it is?
It's just totally, it's a lot lighter car, so you don't feel nearly as much as the road as you're used to in the TL and the TSX. It's got a quiet interior. Features-wise, you can kind of see the 3D navigation screen. The bottom portion has all your media and AC controls.
Please fasten passenger seatbelt.
Steering wheel is moving on its own. So like if I drift out, it's applying steering torque to keep me in the lane, which is super cool.
So you don't even have to put your hand on it?
Well, it's designed to be, for safety, but technically you can let go of the wheel and the car is going to use the technology to go ahead and
stay in the lane for you.
Right, exactly. Very smooth brakes. You don't feel that dip forward like you normally feel in a lot of cars.
Okay, let's see what we have here on the remote. I have the engine on and off buttons, lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic buttons. Now the car does come equipped with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, put your hand behind the door handle to unlock. The exterior color is known as graphite luster metallic, featuring a black leather interior seat, which is called ebony, black on the dash, as well as door panel, with dark wood trims and aluminum trims all around. Very luxurious interior. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up, and see how it sounds. With your foot on the brake, push the start button to start. Okay, now let's pop the hood and see what the all-new 2015 Acura TLX have to offer. Under the hood is a 3.5-liter direct fuel injections SOHC intelligent variable timing and lift controlled, which is known as VTEC V6 engine, 24 valve with variable cylinder management, 9-speed automatic transmission with sequential sport shift with paddle shifter, and an integrated dynamic system which offers 4 different driving modes, drive-by-wire throttle system, pushing out 290 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in around 6 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 125 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 21 city, 34 highway, and 25 combined. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Here is a look at the driver's side door panel with 2-position memory setting. Door panels are all black with dark wood trims and aluminum trims. And all 4 windows are fully automatic. And there's the side view mirror controlled. There you have the storage compartment. Acura aluminum door sill. There's your TLX floor mat and the pedals. Here is a closer look at the front seat. Both front seats feature 3-stage heated and ventilated options that comes with the advanced package. Driver seat feature 10-way power adjustable seat including power lumbar support and 2 preset memory for driver seat, which recalls steering wheel and side mirror positions, and 8-way power adjustable for front passenger seat. The unique 3-spoke design steering wheel is fully wrapped in black leather, with aluminum trims in the middle. Looks and feel really nice. Featuring multi-function controls side by side for your convenience, so you don't have to take your hands off the wheel while driving. With control for audio, voice command, Bluetooth wireless telephone, and the most frequent use function in the vehicle. Behind the wheel you have the up and down paddle shifter, so you can put it in manual mode for a more aggressive ride. And there you have your light controlled as well as turn signal light controlled. Over to the right you have the windshield wiper controlled. And here's the look to the gauge. There you have the instrument light controlled. To the left you have the driver side air vent. Down here you have the lane keeper assist, park assist, traction controlled on and off, gas relief and trunk release buttons. There you have the hood release lever. And a closer look at the dash. The Acura navigation system uses hard drive data storage for ultra-fast response, a high-resolution full VGA 8-inch screen mounted high on the dashboard, display menus, maps, and directions. Like all Acura models, the TLX dashboard is designed to furnish a rewarding environment. High-tech bling and futuristic shapes give way to intuitive control conceived to facilitate the art of driving. The on-demand multi-use display touchscreen contains primary control for audio and climate functions, freeing up the principal display screen for at-a-glance viewing and information relating to or independent from the lower touchscreen. This model also comes with ELS Studio Premium audio system, which offers the sound quality as heard in the recording studio, with music sources available over the air, internet, or your own digital library. System features include a touchscreen operations with primary functions operable from steering wheel controlled. DTS63 Neural Surround can output 5.1 multi-channel surround sound from a digital stereo source, a 10-speaker system with 4 mid-range speakers, 4 titanium dome tweeters, center mid-range, and a 20cm subwoofer.
Put my tongue in different places.
Down here you have the storage compartment, a 12-volt power outlet, as well as the auxiliary input. Here you have the electronic gear selector. Push down on reversed to get into reversed. Once you're in reverse, the backup camera will display on the navigation screen with guidance line for a much easier backup. The electronic gear selector features 9-speed automatic transmission with sequential sport shift with paddle shifter, and an electronic gear selector which offers intuitive one-touch gear engagement and increases access to the center stack and center console. Very slick. Here you have the parking brake and 2 cup holder for passenger and driver. Center storage compartment with a 12-volt power outlet and another auxiliary input. Glove box compartment. There's a look at the passenger side door panel. And a closer look at the seat. Very nice upholstery material. On top you have the sunglasses holder, light controlled, 3 buttons universal garage door opener, and the emergency buttons to use in case of an emergency. and very nice rear view mirror. Sun visor mirror. Now let's check out the rear seats. The back offers seating for 3 and does offer 60/40 folded options, just in case you need to fold it down to get extra cargo space. Rear seats are perforated as well. Rear driver side door panel. Windows are fully automatic as well, and the Acura aluminum door shield. Alright, let's jump into the rear seat. And here's the look to the front cabins. Front cabins look really nice. And here's the look to the top. One touch open, close, and tilt moonroof. The moonroof can be tilted up for ventilation or slides out for an open air feeling. Down here you have 2 air vents for the rear passenger. Rear seats are very comfortable. I'm 5'8" and still have plenty of leg rooms left, even though the seats are all the way back. The seats are very well padded as well, and there are plenty of headrooms. Here's a look to the back. On top you have the light control. And here you have the center armrest, storage compartment, and 2 cup holder. Feels very comfortable in the back. Now let's pop open the gas cap and the trunk. Gas cap is located on the driver's side and is recommended to use premium unleaded fuel only. And gas tanks hold approximately 17.2 gallons of fuel. Now let's take a look at the trunk. The TLX trunk offers 14.3 cubic feet of cargo space for model with advanced package, and model without advanced package offers slightly less, which is 13.2 cubic feet. And remember, the rear seats does fold down completely for additional cargo space if needed. And under here you have more storage compartment. And as you can see, all-weather trunk mat does come with this model. Overall, the Acura TLX is a brand new model for the Acura family and will be replacing the TL and TSX model. It offers seating for 5 passengers. Rear space is pretty spacious and comfortable as well. The front cabins, on the other hand, offer many luxurious touch and great upholstery material. The all-new TLX offers countless of technologies, including the most advanced safety features. Alright, now let's jump into the passenger seat and see how it feels. Very spacious and feels really comfortable as well. Very nice view. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoyed the all-new 2015 Acura TLX model. go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know how you guys like it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future video reviews. And I'll see you guys next time.